Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're going to be trying on a bunch of goodies from Rihanna's lingerie line, Savage X Fenty. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you guys, if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Okay, so normally I'm pretty modest when it comes to cleavage and stuff. I don't know if you guys noticed. What a lie. I said that and then I was like thinking back to like when I did all these like underboob pics. Anyways, so the reason why we're gonna be trying on this Savage X Fenty stuff is because your girl is the newest Savage X Fenty ambassador. I'm super stoked, you guys, because Savage X Fenty stands for everything that I believe in when it comes to body confidence, owning who you are and feeling confident regardless of whatever size and shape you are. Here on my channel, I've always tried to inspire you guys to embrace your body no matter if you're skinny, if you're thick, if you're somewhere in between. It's something that means a lot to me, and on top of that, the lingerie is really, really dope. I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so this is the first one I'm wearing. This is a t-shirt bra. It gives you really awesome support, like the girls are sitting, and I think this is my favorite one from this month. They actually come out with new selections every single month, so it's really cool because there's always something new, and you guys, the price point is amazing. Everything is under $50. Even though the price is super affordable, the quality is good. Like you can tell that it'll last you a long time. You know, put on some quarantine weight, like a little bit, you know, like honestly, you guys, like my bras were not fitting me anymore. They're super uncomfortable, and I bought these like really not great bras off Amazon because I was like, dude, I don't know. Anyways, so I went up a size that I normally do, and I'm so happy that I found some bras that actually fit me and they're comfortable and they're actually cute. And this is actually one of the silk pajama tops from Savage X Fenty that I really love. There are also some matching panties that go with this. This is a matching thong actually. And then also, while I'm like looking at the pink panties, there's also another pink lacy bra that I really like, and then it comes with some matching pink panties as well, and these are these are crotchless pink panties, okay? You heard it here first. The lacy pink bra is super cute. It's actually really comfortable. Normally, I always think that lacy pink bras are kind of uncomfortable, but this one is really comfy and really cute. And like I said, there's the matching pink crotchless panties that go with it. This is called the Lovelace padded bra in pink Pout, and the pads are removable. And I just really love this one because I think it's really girly and pretty. I like the little rhinestone detail on there as well. Okay, so this next one that I'm wearing is a nude strapless bra. I don't know about you guys, but I always have a difficulty finding a good strapless bra that I can rely on. This one I really like. It really stays in place. And it also has removable straps. So I also wanted to let you guys know about the VIP program. Right now, if you sign up, you can get 2 bras for $29 and 50% off your entire order on your first order. Dude, 2 bras for $29? I mean, I would definitely take advantage of it because you can get panties for as low as $7, bralettes for as low as $10, bras for $15, sleepwear for $17. So I really like this VIP program because there's no commitment to spend or no minimum amount. You have like a 30-day period where you can try stuff on. If it doesn't fit, you can return it for free. Also, if you sign up to be an extra VIP, you get 25% off on every order and free shipping on orders over $49. So you guys should definitely check it out. There is a link down below in the description box. Okay, this next one is super cute. It has this lacy detail on it. And it's actually really comfortable. Not that I plan on like wearing it to the gym or something, but normally when I would see something like this, I would be like, oh, it's probably like itchy. This is actually really comfortable and super cute. It also comes with some panties, and it has like this lace detail in the front area, and then it is sheer in the back. There's also this super cute corset top, and it has straps, so everything is supported. It has a lace-up back, so you can tie it as tight as you want, and it also has boning on the corset. I feel like you could even wear this underneath a dress that has like a print or some ruching on it, and it's just super flattering. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you guys is this teddy. I think this is actually my favorite. I've been saying everything is my favorite, but this is super cute. It's in the color pistachio. It's really flattering, and there also is a dress version of this one, and I just love how, yeah, it's flattering, it's comfy, it's very dainty and very girly. All right, you guys, so that was everything. I hope you enjoyed, you know, seeing my nipples today. I'm just kidding. If you need a little pick-me-up, you need a treat right now, head over to savagex.com, get yourself a little lingerie, because when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you do good. It really is true. Like, even when I wear cute underwear that no one sees, because yeah, no one sees it right now, it just makes you feel cute. And it's kind of like self-care. I always think that buying new underwear or lingerie is a form of self-care. So if you need to do that, please do, and do it with Savage X Fenty, because they got your back. They have something for everyone, and you're gonna feel confident. You're gonna feel bomb, I promise you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.